you must have noticed that many of the historical monuments which were made for the purpose of entertainment were usually circular in shape. So why do you think circular shape was so popular for such a purpose? Well, let's understand with this particular example. Now, what do you see here? This is a circular auditorium and this is the stage AB. Now, if you see this particular stage here, AB is nothing but chord of this particular circle. And if you see the angles subtended by this particular chord at E, C and D, all the three are equal. So if this is the stage which is chord of the circle and these are three different sitting positions or viewing positions of the audience, then in all the three cases the stage is subtending an equal angle. So all the three will get equal view of the stage, and this is possible only when you have a circle. So in the case of circle, the chord will always subtend the same angle on the same segment of the circle. Now this is a very important theorem in circles, and this is the reason why it was used widely even in history. So let's try to prove this particular theorem. So what does the theorem state? It states that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Now what do we have here? Angle BAC and angle BDC are the angles in the same segment. So as we can see, we talk about angle BAC and angle BDC. Both are in the same segment of the circle, isn't it? Now we need to prove that angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. So we need to prove that this and this angle is same. The value of both these angles are same. So we need to first of all perform a construction. So we'll join BO and CO. So BO and CO are joined. So first fact is that angle BOC will be equal to 2 into angle BAC. BOC, this angle will be equal to 2 into angle BAC. Why do I say so? Because angle made by an arc at the center, this will be equal to 2 into angle made by the arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So this is such an angle made by the arc on remaining part of the circle. So angle BOC is equal to 2 into angle BAC. Now similarly we can say that angle BOC is equal to 2 into angle BDC. Why do I say so? Because again this is the angle made by arc BC on the center, and the same arc BC makes this particular angle at point D on the remaining part of the circle, isn't it? So even this angle will be half of this angle, or this angle will be equal to 2 into this angle, that is 2 into angle BDC. So from these two, what do we get? We can say that 2 angle BAC is equal to 2 angle BDC, because we know that angle BOC is nothing but 2 into angle BAC. So from this 2 gets cancelled out and we get angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. So both these angles are equal. So we easily proved this particular theorem, that is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So whenever the angles will lie in the same segment of the circle subtended by a particular arc, they will always be same.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.